Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash of Clans. First, you'll build your village, starting with the town hall. Gather gold and elixir from mines and collectors to fund your progress. Train your first troops in the barracks, like barbarians and archers, to begin attacking. Joining a clan early on is highly recommended for support and participating in exciting clan wars. Managing your resources is key to success. Always prioritize upgrading your town hall to unlock new buildings and features. Protect your valuable gold, elixir, and dark elixir with well-placed walls and defensive structures like cannons and archer towers. Regularly collect from your gold mines and elixir collectors to ensure a steady income for upgrades and troop training. When attacking, always scout enemy bases carefully to find weak points and identify where resources are stored. Deploy your troops strategically, perhaps using a few barbarians to draw out clan castle troops first. Utilize powerful spells like healing to keep your troops alive or rage to boost their damage. Experiment with various army compositions to discover your preferred attacking style. Clan wars are a fantastic way to earn significant war loot and gain experience. Always donate troops to your clanmates. It helps them and earns you clan XP. Focus on upgrading your powerful heroes, such as the Barbarian King and Archer Queen, as they provide immense value in battles. Continuously refine your base layout and upgrade your troop levels for ongoing success and stronger gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.